Guys, if you want to make money with Michael, click the link below.
You have a program that only costs $1 to test drive. That's $1, guys. Listen, the way it works is, and this is the way I always talk about it, you want to make sure you got traffic. Every day you have to have leads pouring into your business, because without leads, you just simply can't make money. Leads, traffic are your business, okay? Those are your customers that are coming in one by one every single day. Now, the program I'm talking about is WCC. WCC has its own traffic source, okay? And this traffic source is like top tier traffic source. You're talking about everyone coming from all these different English speaking countries, guys. These are the countries that you're looking for, because fortunately they have the top dollar, okay? So WCC, the owner of it, definitely put everything in place for you. It's a total done for you system, everything from A to Z, okay? So we're talking about the traffic's going to come into your lead capture page. That's another thing. Everything is already set up for you, okay? Especially if you get the done for you service, because you don't have to do anything. I mean, it's kind of like a lazy man's business. That's why I call it, okay? With a lazy man's business, you pretty much can sit back and earn while you learn. You won't have any problem with just letting the whole system run on autopilot, where you're out at work or you're taking care of the kids. Maybe you have to cook dinner, whatever the case may be. You don't have time to babysit a system. I get it. You don't have time to deal with customers. No problem. This system does everything for you, okay? Again, it's like a lazy man system, okay? It's going to send that traffic to your autoresponder squeeze page. That's this right here, this red box. And then from there, it's going to go straight into your autoresponder, okay? Autoresponder is going to send out messages each and every day to these same people, okay? And from there on, they're going to get messages that it's going to lead them, give them more information, lead them to your sales page, in which after some time, with the price being only, with a price point of $1, you pretty much can't say no to it. I mean, it's as simple as that. You get 10 days to test drive the system, guys. Now, like I say, it doesn't cost anything to look around anyway, okay? So check it out below. It's $1, 10 days test drive. Can't beat it. WCC, guys, it's where it's at. You get direct PayPal payments instantly, okay? That's what you're looking for, instant PayPal payments. Again, you can earn while you learn this business. What you should be thinking about when starting your business if you are a newbie. I know I have a lot of new people on this channel now, a lot of new subscribers each and every day. I want to say welcome to all the new subscribers, and I want to take you on a journey. Every now and then I like to do a video just directed at the new people on this channel and people who have just started out online. You have no idea where to start, and I want to help you get started with your business online, okay? And what this channel is really about, leads, traffic. It's the lifeline of your business, okay? And you can see today I've had over 1,500 leads come in today, okay? Now, it doesn't matter, guys, if you buy your traffic, or if you have free traffic, or you have a little bit of both, or however you like to do it. I don't really want to steer you away from any type of traffic you can get your hands on, but I will say that you want to start off with a program that is going to pay you month in and month out. That's what we call residual income, or passive income. Now, I'm a big believer in making money in your sleep, and making money or allowing your computer to make money, or systems to make money for you. I'm not a big believer in kind of the multi-level marketing way, where you spend hours, countless hours, trying to track down people online and be that door-to-door salesman that has pitch. You have like little pitch forms where you read a little script or something like that. Because years ago, when I first decided to do what I do online, I never wanted to be that person that has to chase down customers. I wanted systems to work, in my favor, okay? And I believe that that's what it's really all about. That's what the .com lifestyle, or the internet marketing lifestyle, or laptop lifestyle, is really all about. It's just allowing systems to work for you while you sleep, while you're playing all day, and allowing your business to run on autopilot. That's kind of the genius, or the ingenuity of computers in itself. So if you like to do a lot of legwork and you like to pick up phones all the time, then that's great. I mean, you'll just probably, be that type of marketer that can, spend hours online, hours, making sales and closing sales. And if that's what you enjoy to do, that's great. But if you are looking for a way where you can close your laptop, spend months and months and months away from, working at any type of 9 to 5, you really have freedom. That is what it's really all about, in my opinion. Okay. Now, I do these videos because I really like to do videos, but 8 years before doing these videos, I made money like you see here. This is all leads coming in. So regardless if I have videos or not, these leads come in. But this channel is really about helping people get started online. That's what it really is all about. Okay. But for years and years, over, I don't know, 6 or 7 years, I didn't have a channel. Okay. I didn't have any public thing that was getting people into my business. Okay. I don't use Facebook. I don't use any of those type of things. And that's just something that I choose to do because, again, it's about systems with me, the ingenuity of computers and how they make you money. Now, again, for the last 2 days, I've gotten 3,000 leads in. I'm just kind of, while I'm talking, I'm going through them so you can see them, how they come in. You can see they come in like